Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and let me show you how to customize, how to program the steering wheel button. So let me show you how to program this diamond symbol on your steering wheel. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you can navigate by using the left bar. Let's choose here the car, so this car icon. Under car icon, you've got access to control. So control is like the settings. If you tap the control, you've got access to main menu of settings. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate sections. And right now we need to choose the first section, which is vehicle. So let me just tap it. As you can see, under vehicle, you've got here a few sections that you can select. One of them is steering wheel button. So this steering wheel button with this symbol, the symbol of diamond. So this menu is for the steering wheel button configuration. Your steering wheel has a specific button marked with a diamond symbol, and this menu lets you decide what that button does. It's essentially a shortcut button that you can customize. So as you can see, you've got here a few information and few functions that you can choose. Of course, it could be no function. It could be also the repeat driving instructions. You can also choose here the previous station track, next station track, toggle map, view between day and night. And as you can see, you can also choose cancel traffic announcement and display park view. So you can decide which of the following sections you should use and you would like to use. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.